So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to use INVT, which is a way to find a critical t-value, which is often used in things like confidence intervals and hypothesis testing. So we have an example here, and the answer is already there, but we'll talk about why that is. Find the critical t-value that corresponds to 98% confidence with 15 degrees of freedom. So we're talking about a t-distribution here, which isn't quite the same as a normal distribution. And one way to find the answer to this is using INVT, which is similar to INV norm. However, INVT wants two things. It wants the area to the left of the critical value that you're looking for, and it wants the degrees of freedom. So we have the degrees of freedom. It's 15 right there. Over on the side, if you take a look at this picture, what you really want to understand is if you're looking for 98% confidence in a confidence interval, you are talking about having 98% confidence in the middle of the distribution. So 0.98 should be in the middle of the distribution, which leaves you with 0.02. So 0.02 and 0.98 is 1. And half of 0.02 is 0.01. And so you have 0.01 in each tail. And so that's what you're seeing here, is between these two lines is 0.98, and then you have the 0.01 here, another 0.01 here, which makes 1, which is the area underneath the curve. But this is the value that we want. So when we're being told critical t-value, that should be a positive value. So that's right here. And so what's really important to understand is since we have 0.01 in each tail, that means that to the left of this value is 0.99. So it's 0.99 area to the left, all of this to the left of the critical t-value. So within the INVT, we want to put area to the left, which is 0.99, and 15 is our degrees of freedom. So now I'm going to come to the calculator. We go second VARS, that's going to bring us to distributions. You'll see that it's number 4, so you can either scroll down and choose it or just press number 4. And like I said, it just says area, but what it wants is area to the left. So I'm going to put 0.99, so I do want to put that as a decimal. I want to put degrees of freedom is 15, that's what we're told, and then I'm going to paste it. Press enter, and then I'm going to press enter again, and there is my critical t value. So you'll see that down on my other screen here. And notice this is typically how it's written, t 0.01 equals, and then the critical value. And that's because what this represents is the t-value with 0.01 area to the right. But if we have 0.01 area to the right, we have 0.99 area to the left. And that's an example of using INVT.